Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about the past perfect tense and details. We will discuss about the components, the grammatical formulas, examples and the daily life uses of the past perfect tense and details. Okay, so how to define the past perfect tense? The past perfect tense is a verb tense used to express an action or event that had occurred and been completed before another action or event in the past. It is used to establish a clear sequence of events in the past and emphasizes the earlier action. In simpler terms, the past perfect tense is used when we want to talk about something that happened before another action took place in the past. Okay, so what are the grammatical components of the past perfect tense? Number first is the subject. I, we, you, she, he, it, they. Number second is the auxiliary verb. The past perfect tense requires the use of the auxiliary verb had. It indicates that the action was completed before another action in the past. And the third one is the past participle. The main verb in the past perfect tense takes the form of the past participle, and the past participle is the third form of the main verb. Okay, what are the structural formulas for the past perfect tense? Okay, so the first is the affirmative sentence, and the structural formula for the affirmative sentence in the past perfect tense is subject plus head plus past participle and plus object. And the second sentence is the interrogative, and the formula for the interrogative sentence in the past perfect tense is head plus subject plus past participle plus object. And the third one is the negative sentence, and the grammatical formula for the negative sentence and the past perfect tense is subject plus had not plus past participle plus object. And the fourth one is the negative question or the negative interrogative sentence, and the formula for the negative question in the past perfect tense is had plus subject plus not plus past participle and plus object or complement. Okay, so let's make sentences according to the given formulas in the past perfect tense. The first one is the affirmative sentence, and you know about the formula for the affirmative sentence, that is subject plus had plus past participle plus object. And so we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, she had already left when I arrived. They had finished their dinner before the movie started. The team had won the championship 3 times. He had studied for hours before the exam. Okay, the second one is the interrogative sentence. And you know the formula for the interrogative sentence in the past perfect tense is had plus subject plus past participle plus object. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, had she already left when you arrived? Had they finished their dinner before the movie started? Had the team won the championship 3 times? Had he studied for hours before the exam? Okay, the third one is the negative sentence, and the formula for the negative sentence is subject plus had plus not plus past participle. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, she had not yet returned the books to the library. They had not finished their work before the deadline. It had not snowed in years. He had not seen the movie before. Okay, the last one is the negative interrogative sentences, or we can say the negative questions. And the formula for the negative question in the past perfect tense is had plus subject plus not plus past participle. And we can make sentences according to this formula. For example, had she not yet returned the books to the library? Had they not finished their work before the deadline? Had it not snowed in years? Had he not seen the movie before? Okay, so let's discuss about the practical uses of the past perfect tense. Number first is talking about completed action before a specific time in the past. Number second is narrating events in chronological order. Number third is describing action that occurred before a past event. Number fourth is expressing regrets about missed opportunities. Number fifth is referring to an unrealized condition in the past. Number sixth is sharing past experiences with time expression. Number seven is talking about past accomplishments or achievements. Number eight is emphasizing a completed action before another event. And number nine is sharing past action that had an impact on the present. And number 10 is expressing contradictory situations in the past. Okay, so let us give examples of the practical uses of the past perfect tense. Number first is talking about completed actions before a specific time in the past. For example, Tom had already eaten breakfast before he left for work. I had finished my workout before my friend called me. She had read the book before the movie was released. Number second, narrating events in chronological order. For example, the team had scored 2 goals before the opponents equalized. They had visited 3 countries before they returned home. The sun had set when we reached the beach. Number third is describing actions that occur before a past event. For example, she had attended the conference before she got promoted. They had saved enough money before they bought the new car. He had played 3 songs before the audience requested an encore. Number fourth is expressing regrets about missed opportunities. For example, I wish I had studied harder before the exam. They wish they had arrived earlier to catch the train. She wishes she had accepted the job offer. Number five is referring to an unrealized condition in the past. For example, if I had known about the party, I would have attended. They would have won the game if they had scored in the first half. She would have bought the dress if it had been on sale. Okay, number six is sharing past experiences with time expression. For example, I had visited Paris before I went to London. They had seen that movie several times before it was released on DVD. She had met him once before they became friends. Okay, number seven is talking about past accomplishments or achievements. He had written 2 books before he turned 30. They had won several awards before their retirement. The company had achieved record sales before the economic downturn. Okay, number eight is emphasizing a complete action. Emphasizing a completed action before another event. For example, the guest had arrived before the party started. They had finished their homework before the teacher collected it. She had paid the bill before leaving the restaurant. Okay, number nine is sharing past action that had an impact on the present. For example, I had studied French in college, so I can speak it now. They had saved money over the years, allowing them to buy a house. He had practiced playing the guitar, which made him a skilled musician. Okay, number 10 is expressing contradictory situations in the past. For example, the car had broken down, but luckily they had a spare tire. She had lost her phone, but she had backed up the data. They had missed the flight, but they had travel insurance.